You're going to hear a lot more about this range of machines in the coming weeks. Now, the accuracy that this machine can produce, considering its price point, is incredible. We're here at Sodi-Tech, and I want to first talk about this machine and precision.
Precision means EDM machines. Precision also means Sodick machines. 2 to 3 micron accuracy, repeatable, precise, and something our clients can offer their clients every single time. I think anybody looking at an EDM machine is looking for precision. And that can be anything from slicing the 3D part or creating a part that can sit in someone's heart.
I'm lucky enough to be able to visit many Sodick customers, not just in the UK, but across Europe too. And they tell me time and time again that they're producing some of the highest quality parts thanks to the precision of the Sodick machines. And this new model, the VN, will do exactly the same, but how do they boast such brilliance when making machines that can hit such amazing degrees of accuracy?
VN series machines are like any other Sodick machines. They've got linear motors, which means zero wear. With a conventional ball screw machine, after a few years, the ball screw will begin to wear, which means he'll have to replace those, which means a cost. With linear motors, we can offer a 10-year accuracy guarantee, which is a sound investment for a customer. The VN will offer 2 to 3 micron accuracy, but not just once, repeatable accuracy. The customer needs to know they can rely on that machine to produce the same quality, precise parts for years and years to come. We have many customers that have machines for more than 25 years, and those machines are still as accurate as the day they left the factory. That, as sales guys, is also causing us a bit of a problem, but a nice problem to have. Whatever material the client wants to cut, this machine will easily be able to achieve precision, accuracy, and quality. Precision is very important because it can open doors for a customer within the most challenging markets, from space to medical to everyday products within your homes. Not every client needs the highest level of accuracy or technology within their machines. The VN machine is your everyday EDM machine. This machine will churn out work, creating new opportunities for your business. A customer's under pressure from their clients. They need to be able to run their business in a secure fashion. They need a machine that they can rely on with precision. They need to be able to just press a green button and then rely on that machine to produce the parts to grow their business. The VN range is like any machine that Sodick creates. It's at the top of the pyramid. It's quality, accuracy, reliability, but most of all, it's precision.
I'm going to let you into a little secret now. You're going to see more on the VN series on our channel over the coming weeks, and the next video is on performance to price ratio. But if you can't wait for that, head down to the showroom here in Warwick.